All right, welcome back. It's been a long time since I recorded one of these videos, and we've put out quite a few releases since then. I just wanted to walk through the features that are currently enabled in the RadarAtlas Chrome extension. Start here with globe.adsbexchange.com. It now also works on other Globe ADSB websites like adsb.lol and Jack Sweeney's website and a couple others. When you load the map here, you see the dashboard on the right side. That's what you see after you add the extension. We have a button here to collapse everything just to kind of make it a little tidier. All of the interesting filters are still here. They come and go sometimes as I see fit or in current events and things like that. One of my favorite ones is, of course, the Tech Billionaires button. When we click that, we can see who's active in the air or who has been active in the air in the last 24 hours. If the airplane is colored, that usually means that it's was seen pretty recently. If we click on the airplane icon, the left pane here will display some information about that plane. And then, of course, as always, if we click the N number, the registration number here, more information will display. We have a new database now in the most recent version here. We're using both the Opensky database. It's kind of a blend of this database with updates to it that I make on my end. If you want to check that out here, you can do that from this URL here. And now with this most recent version, we've incorporated the NAARMO database from the FAA. And this is a pretty awesome database because what you'll see is that when you click on an airplane, it'll show you the Opensky owner as well as the NAARMO owner. So, if that data exists in both. So sometimes you'll click on something and there's no data, and that's a perfect example there. But some of these airplanes will tell you that Opensky is usually a little bit more shrouded with the correct factual owner of an airplane. Sometimes they're registered to something like Bank of Utah Trustee or TVPX Aircraft Solutions. But the NAARMO data will be usually pretty accurate in who's actually owning that airplane. So this one here is Bank of Utah Trustee, and we see that this is actually the Scott's company, thanks to the NAARMO database. What else? We have the favorites filter over here on the right, and that is when we see something that we want to watch on a daily basis or something. We can put the ICAO in there, and then it's stored in local storage. And when we clear out the map and we come back tomorrow, for instance, we can just say, click on this View Favorites on Map button, and it loads up just the ones in our favorites. Trying to think what else there is. We can zoom to an airport, and it zooms us right into it. Or we can also, if we don't know the ICAO, we can just copy in the registration and it'll show us the ICAO. I think that's about it for now. This was a major overhaul in the data and the way that we just query the data and the way that we present the data. But this is a big thing for us because we haven't updated the database in quite a while. So the data is now more up to date. Thanks for watching.